Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to install the Telegram app in BoldDesk, add and configure Telegram accounts, and set up a Telegram bot. I will also show you how to manage Telegram accounts. With Telegram integration, you can chat with customers directly and get instant responses to queries, chats, and feedback. It allows seamless sharing of messages, images, videos, documents, and other multimedia files. You can automatically assign chats to a group or team when users reach out via Telegram and configure multiple Telegram accounts within your helpdesk system. Now, I will show you how to install and configure the Telegram app in BoldDesk. First, log into the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator and navigate to the admin module. Next, open the chat module and select the Telegram app in the Channels section. Then, click the Install button. Next, to add Telegram accounts in BoldDesk, click the Manage button and then the Add Account button to open a dialog box. In the Account Configuration section, enter the name and the bot auth token. To learn how to get a bot auth token, follow this link or refer to the documentation link in this video's description. Next, choose a brand to map the account. Select a group. This is optional. Then click Verify and Continue. You can revisit the Manage option and change the brand as needed. Also, you can add separate Telegram accounts for each brand. In the Message Configuration page, enable a welcome message to set up an automated reply that will be sent when customers start conversations. Next, enable the offline message, select your business hours, and enter the message that will be sent when customers initiate a conversation when offline. Click Save to complete the process. BoldDesk empowers users to manage their Telegram accounts with options to edit, deactivate, delete, and activate them. To edit a Telegram account, click the More Options icon next to the account you want to edit and select the Edit option. You can modify the details and save the changes. Similarly, to deactivate an account, choose the Deactivate option and confirm the action. All deactivated accounts will be moved to the Inactive tab. You can reactivate them by clicking the More Options icon and selecting Activate. To delete an account, select the Delete option on the More Action icon drop-down. That's how easy it is to integrate the Telegram app with BoldDesk. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Thanks for watching.